Amber Fort in Jaipur, India. Amber Fort is a fort located in Amer, Rajasthan, India. Amer is a town with an area of 4 square kilometers, located 11 kilometers from Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. The town of Amer and the Amber Fort were originally built by the Maids, and later it was ruled by Raja Man Singh. Located high on a hill, it is the principal tourist attraction in Jaipur. Amer Fort is known for its artistic style elements, with its large ramparts and series of gates and cobbled paths. The fort overlooks Mauta Lake, which is the main source of water for the Amer Palace. Mughal architecture greatly influenced the architectural style of several buildings of the fort. Constructed of red sandstone and marble, the attractive opulent palace is laid out on 4 levels, each with a courtyard. It consists of a Diwan-e-Am or hall of public audience, the Diwan-e-Khas or hall of private audience, the Sheesh Mahal or Jai Mandir, and the Sukh Niwas, where a cool climate is artificially created by winds that blow over a water cascade within the palace. Hence, the Amer Fort is also popularly known as the Amer Palace. The place was the residence of the Rajput Maharajas and their families. At the entrance to the palace near the fort's Ganesh Gate, there is a temple dedicated to Sila Devi, a goddess of the Chaitanya cult, which was given to Raja Man Singh when he defeated the Raja of Jessore, Bengal in 1604. Jessore is now in Bangladesh. Raja Man Singh had 12 queens, so he made 12 rooms, one for each queen. Each room had a staircase connected to the king's room, but the queens were not to go upstairs. Raja Jai Singh had only one queen, so he built one room equal to 3 old queens' rooms. This palace, along with Jaigarh Fort, is located immediately above the Chilka Tila, means Hills of Eagle, of the same Aravalli range of hills. The palace and Jaigarh Fort are considered one complex, as the two are connected by a subterranean passage. This passage was meant as an escape route in times of war to enable the royal family members and others in the Amer Fort to ship to the more redoubtable Jaigarh Fort. Annual tourist visitation to the Amer Palace was reported by the superintendent of the Department of Archaeology and Museum as 5,000 visitors a day, with 1.4 million visitors during 2007. At the 37th session of World Heritage Committee held in Phnom Penh, Cambodia in 2013, Amer Fort along with 5 other forts of Rajasthan was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the group Hill Forts of Rajasthan. Amber derives the name from Ambikeshwar temple built atop the Chilka Tila. Ambikeshwara is a local name of the god Shiva. However, local folklore suggests that the fort derives its name from Amba, the mother goddess Durga. Amer Palace is situated on a forested hill promontory that just into Mauta Lake near the town of Amer, about 11 kilometers from Jaipur city, the capital of Rajasthan. The palace is near National Highway 11C to Delhi. A narrow road leads up to the entrance gate known as the Suraj Pal of the fort. It is now considered much more ethical for tourists to take jeep rides up to the fort instead of riding the elephants. The palace is divided into 6 separate but main sections, each with its own entry gate and courtyard. The main entry is through the Suraj Pal, which leads to the first main courtyard. This was the palace where armies would hold victory parades with their war bounty on their return from battles, which were also witnessed by the royal family's women folk through the lattice window. This gate was built exclusively and was provided with guard as it was the main entry into the palace. It faced east towards the rising sun, hence the name. Royal Kalkaus and dignitaries entered the palace through this gate. Jaleb Chowk is an Arabic phrase meaning a place for soldiers to assemble. This is one of the four courtyards of Amer Palace, which was built during Savai Jai Singh's reign. Maharaja's personal bodyguard held parades here under the command of the army commander of Fauj Bakshi. The Maharaja used to inspect the guards contingent adjacent to the courtyard were the horse stables with the upper level rooms occupied by the guards. Visitor can see the Amer Fort from the 10 o'clock to the 5 o'clock in the evening. The fort is open throughout the week. Fort entry. For foreign tourists, the entry charges are 500 Indian rupees per person. For Indian tourists, the entry charges drop down to 50 Indian rupees per person. Indian students may pay only 10 Indian rupees per person, and for foreign students, the entry charges are 100 Indian rupees per person. Light and sound show. Light and sound show happens in two languages at Amer Fort every evening. For the show in Hindi, the charges are 100 Indian rupees per person. For the show in English, the charges are 200 Indian rupees per person. Like us and join us at Extreme Collection for more fun and knowledge. Subscribe to the Extreme Collections for the next place to visit in a world.